If you're trying to maximize the space in your kitchen underneath your kitchen sink, then you got to check out this 2-tier shelf. So I have a very small kitchen where I don't have a lot of real estate to store things. And one place where I found I had a lot of dead space was in the space underneath my kitchen sink. So as you can see, I have all my things in there right now, but I got all this space up here where I feel like it's missed opportunity for being able to store stuff. So that's why I bought this 2-tier storage shelf. So in this video, I want to show you a before and after of how my cabinet looked before the shelf was installed, and then after with everything nice and organized, as well as I'm going to go through the assembly process and just some general information about this shelving system. So one of the best features about this storage shelf is that the drawers pull forward. So this is what's going to help prevent you from having to reach deep into the back of your cabinets to grab whatever you need. Whatever is stored on these shelves, all you have to do is pull it forward to grab what you need. So that was one of the big selling features for me and this particular model. The assembly process for this shelving system was super easy. It comes with very clear instructions and everything you need. All you need to assemble it is this little Allen wrench as well as this little wrench here. Also, it comes with extra hardware in case you need it. And then finally, last thing I wanted to show you is that on the bottom of each shelf, you do get a little plastic piece that slips in. And that just makes this look a lot better, as well as if anything accidentally spills on the top shelf or even the bottom shelf for that matter. You don't have to worry about the liquid falling through and dripping onto the stuff below it. It really does help to contain the mess. And then because they are removable, you can easily take these out to clean them. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and put this in my cabinet as well as show you before and after. You could just see how nice this looks compared to what it looked like before I installed the shelves. It just looks a lot cleaner and neater, and everything is just easier to grab and access. So what's exciting is that now I have all this space up here that I didn't have before, so I have room to store a lot more stuff. But here at the bottom shelf, because this is the bigger shelf, I wanted to show you what it could fit. So I have 2 boxes. I have my Simple Human trash bags. It's a size A. It's a multi-pack, pretty big, but it fits perfectly in this drawer here, or this shelf. And then I have my Power Mop replacement pads here. And then I'm also able to fit 2 spray bottles as well as 2 air fresheners, and then like a little spray bottle of ant solution. So, and still have room to store more things. So like I'm really impressed with the storage capacity. So yes, if you're looking for a under the kitchen sink storage solution, I also think this would work great in a bathroom or an office. I highly recommend this 2-tier storage shelf, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.